Alright, you want to do a test hole first. Alright, now this drill bit's 3/8. I know it looks a little bigger. Alright, and so let's test the hole. Alright, and I reamed it out just a little because it's a little tight. So here we go. Alright. And there we have it. Okay, it's in there snug. You can use alright, you can use epoxy. You put a little epoxy around this, around your hole, on your lamp, and that will just really anchor this in really well. Alright, and probably maybe even some liquid nails would do the trick as well. Now let's drill this lamp. Now we're introducing the drill bit. The drill bit. This is like 2 feet or so long. Alright. This is a 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill down through the top with this drill bit. Then I'm going to measure the difference, and I'm going to meet that hole with this drill here from the bottom. Alright, and there's other ways you can go about doing this, which we can talk about when I'm done. Alright, my 3/8 drill bit isn't a wood drill bit, alright, so I'm creating a little divot here for a starting point for center, because this has that center point on the drill bit. This is a wood drill bit. Okay, there's a center point. Okay, right there. Okay. Alright, now let's get this drilled. Now I gotta hold this perfectly straight. Alright, I'm gonna hold it with my feet. And I'm gonna come right down on top of that little divot. Straight, vertical, at a 90. And here we go. Now, I'll show you what I do next. Alright, now I'm going to measure. Alright, so this hole, alright, so if I shoot straight through here, right here to this groove, right here to the groove, alright, is where it's level on the inside. So if I measure from the drill bit down to that groove, then I know, alright, that my drill bit stops, okay, at this point right here. Okay, so where it stops. Now I can come up higher with this other drill bit. Okay, so I'm going to get an idea of where it's going to come in at. So I'm going to the bottom now of this up. So now I know I'm going to reach a hole at this point here. All right, so I'm going to mark this with some tape or something so I know where that's at. Okay, now we're marking the spot. Now I don't have any tape handy. All right, so I'm going to mark this here. It's going to be a little hard to see. That just means I got to stop and keep checking it. All right. Okay, now I've sighted this in, and we can talk more about this when I'm done, but now we're going to drill it straight. Now you want to clean out your hole, put the drill in reverse, and come out. Okay? There's still a little in there, but we're good. Okay, and I'm going to continue to do this. I'm going through a knot, and it smells really good. All right, so I'm going to finish this and then show you the finished. A chalice, homemade chalice. All right, scratch everything I just showed you. Okay, what you need is just get this 1/2 inch. This is for electricians, all right, and you can find these at Harbor Freight or online. This is like a 2-foot or so drill bit, all right, and I'm just going to drill down all the way down through it, all right, and you don't have to go the other way. All right, here we go. That's all you got to do. Now, this is where you're putting your hardware. Okay? So you take your hardware. It's an all thread. Okay? That's what comes with it. And then this is your, like a castle nut, sort of. All right? Your beauty nut. I'm sorry. And just to double check it before we do, okay, let's go here. Okay, now this is why you want to hold it with your feet. I thought I won't bore you with this. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, here we are. It's almost complete. And that's basically what it's going to look like. In the next video, you will see more detailing here to the castle. Alright. And this castle lamp will be complete with more detailing, more windows, and you will really like it. Alright, so I hope this was helpful. Remember, you always want to do a test. This is a 3/8, and you can wobble this just a little bit to get it to screw in. So test it, and you want to test your bit, your electrician's drill bit there. Alright, so remember, Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Bye for now, and never give up, because there's always a way, always, and it's a win-win-win. Tell a friend. Bye for now, and bye. God bless.